In this section, I'll provide a step-by-step guide to mentoring within our ERP system. It contains 4 steps. Creation of mentoring questions. Adding students under a mentor. Interacting with students. Generating mentoring reports. Let's start with the first step, adding mentoring questions. To begin, navigate to the Mentoring tab. There, you will find several menus. Click on Mentoring Config. Please note that this option is only accessible to those with admin privileges. First, provide the group name assigned by the college and provide a brief description. Set the order and status to active. Then, add the questions under the created group name. Ensure to fill in the fields such as order and activate the button as needed. If you wish to add more questions, click on the Add button. Alternatively, to delete a question, click on the Delete icon. Once the first group is created, you can proceed to create another group by clicking on the Add Group button. Finally, click on the Submit button to save the changes. With this, we have created our mentoring questions. Now, let's move on to the next step, adding students under a mentor. To do this, click on the Student Configuration menu. Here, you will find several fields. Choose the department, select the staff member whom you wish to assign as a mentor, specify the year and level, and select the batch. Then, choose the students whom you want to add to this staff member and click on the Submit button. Note that these students cannot be added to another mentor after submission. Here we have completed our second step. The mentor can view the list of students under their supervision on the Mentoring Dashboard menu. Let's move on to the third step, interaction of students. To do that, return to the Mentor Dashboard. While the mentor is logged, they can see their assigned students on the Mentoring Dashboard. On the right, there is an option Action. Click on that button. Under that section, there are 3 options. The first option is Student Info. This is to see the student profile. They can see the full details of students. The second option is Mentoring. This is the option for student interaction. Clicking on that will take you to a page. There, in the Group Name field, you can see the created groups on the list. Choose a group and you will see the questions created under that group. Write the student answers to the questions and after completing, click on the Submit button. The third option is to get the mentoring report of that student. Clicking on that link will show the mentoring report of that student. Finally, the last step is to generate the mentoring report. To do that, click on the MIS menu. There, you can see 2 options, Mentoring, Batchwise, and Mentoring, Staffwise. Clicking on the View button of the first option will take you to a page where you can choose the appropriate fields and click on the Submit button to generate the report. You can download that report as an Excel file. The next option, Mentoring Staffwise, functions similarly to Mentoring Batchwise. Here, we have completed 4 steps in the mentoring section.